Hi guys, welcome back to Daddy D's channel. Today I'll be making some breadfruit and pumpkin juice. So these are our ingredients, yeah? I've got a pumpkin here and I've got some breadfruit here, which I already started peeling some. And this is our spices, our nutmeg, and we have some nutriment, we have some sweet milk, we have a vanilla, rose water, and almond, rose and almond, yeah? And this is, yeah, rose water, and this is a vanilla. Okay. So now we're gonna go through and peel our breadfruit and our pumpkin, and as soon as the water comes to a boil, we'll get them in it, yeah? So stay tuned and watch it progress, guys. Yeah, Daddy D, in our kitchen with it. Stay tuned and watch what's going. Okay, so these are our peeled breadfruit. This is how it looks. Yeah. So now I'm gonna go through and peel this piece of pumpkin. Look at it, how beautiful it is. Yeah. So I'm gonna peel it now and get it in the pot, because the water is already boiling. So yeah, let's do this. So here guys, I'm gonna get my breadfruit and my pumpkin in the pot now because the water is already boiling up. So stay tuned and watch it progress. Okay, I'll just show you what's going on. Yeah, just come with me. I'll show you what's going on. Right, so that's just our pot on fire here. Right, you can see the steam coming from the pot. Yeah, so it's already boiling. Yeah, so now I'm gonna get the breadfruit in it. Yeah, so stay tuned and watch it progress, guys. This is our cooked breadfruit and pumpkin that we're gonna use to make our juice. So right now, we're gonna get it in the blender to start the process. Stay tuned and watch it progress. So now we're gonna transfer our breadfruit and our pumpkin into our blender over here. As you can see, yeah, that's what you can see. I'm gonna get the pumpkin now into the blender, yeah. This is our pumpkin. I'm gonna get it in the blender to start the process. Gonna start up the boiler roll now. Yeah, it's about it. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, just so smooth, guys. Yeah, man, I don't know if you can let me show you what's going on. Have a look at it. Have a look at it. So smooth, look. Can you see that? Can you see that? Yeah, man, so smooth. Yeah, this is what you want to see when you're, yeah? No lumps, you don't want any lumps in it, yeah? Right. So, we're going to do the same thing again. Repeat the same process. Get the rest of breadfruit and pumpkin in the blender and start the blending process all over again. So yeah, stay tuned, watch what's going on, guys. Yeah, welcome back, guys. So we're gonna get the rest of breadfruit and pumpkin in the blender. It's already in the blender, so we're gonna blend it out now. Yeah, so yeah, watch what's going on. So yeah, guys, just gonna add a little bit of water to it. Yeah. And start the boiler roll again. Right, let's get it off and pour it in. Let's get around here. Yeah, man. Daddy D. In my kitchen, minute. You know what I'm going on there in the kitchen. So what if I vibes? No vibes in the kitchen. Alright, here we go. Yeah, man, we're just gonna start add stuff to it now. Like our nutriment. Okay, we start to add our nutriment. Yeah. So our nutriment to this. Believe me, guys. Don't take my word for it. I know it's gonna be wicked. I know that. You know? This thing here. I heard so much about breadfruit and pumpkin juice. Never really made it before. It's my first time. But by looking at it, you know, I know it's gonna be good. Yeah. But you know, when you come on to breadfruit and you come on to bread, you know, breadfruit always good. Whether roast, boiled, you know what I mean, whether fried, always good, you know? So if you even put it in a juice, it's gonna be even wicked. It's gonna be wickeder, you know what I mean? So, yeah man, stay tuned and watch what's going on, guys. Yeah? So, right, let me get the other nutriment poured out in it as well. Yeah? So that is it. Yeah, nutriment in. Now we need to get our spices and stuff in as well. Yeah. So yeah man, that's what we're going on, people. Yeah man. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, I love this. I love the look of it, you know. This thing is very strong, you know, this almond spice, so you don't want to use a lot. Yeah, just a little bit. Let's give it like a bit like that. So what I say? Yeah man, then you're gonna add some vanilla to it as well. Vanilla, yeah. Vanilla, yeah man. I mean, I think tip a little bit more vanilla, but let's wait and see. Yeah, so I'm gonna chop just a little bit. Yeah man, a little bit of that. Yeah, just water. You don't want a lot. That thing is strong. So yeah guys, I'm trying to get the milk in it as well. Try and get the milk in it now. Yeah. Get the milk in it. Yeah. So yeah guys, stay tuned and watch your progress. As soon as I finish with this, yeah, I'm going to pour it out in a glass and let you see what's going on, yeah? So stay tuned. You don't want it too thick, yeah? So this is what you want. So yeah, I poured some in a glass, so now I'm going to try it. I'm going to taste it and see what it tastes like. I never have it before, it's my first time making it, yeah? As I said before in the video. It's my first time making this breadfruit punch, but I heard a lot about it, yeah? So now I'm gonna try, I'm gonna taste it, and let you guys know what I think, yeah? Wow. Yeah man, it's a shot.
Yeah boy.
It's my first time, and I'm excited about this, guys. Trust me, I'm excited about this. Oh my days. Whoa! I tell you, this is a shot, guys. It's a shot. Believe me, trust me. It's not word of a lie. It's my first time making this. Never make it before, yeah? And I'm telling you, guys, it's so good, so delicious. Oh my days. Wow. Yeah, man. It's hit the spot, yeah, man. It's hit the spot. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So good, guys. You have to try this. Trust me. So good. I have to do this one again. Believe me, I have to do it again. It's so good. So delicious. I don't know if you remember, there's a drink back home that's called what, eggnog? Yeah, eggnog. Similar to eggnog. Something similar to that. It's wicked. This thing tastes so good. It's wicked, man. Yeah, man. So yeah, guys, just see what you feel all done. Yeah. I finished my juice. Yeah. So now we have made it to the end of the video. So what I want you to do for me, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yeah. Share with your family members and friends. Yeah. And thanks in advance. Yeah. So catch you guys in the next video. I'm out. Yeah. See you next time. Peace out. Let's get around here. Yeah, man. Daddy D. In my kitchen, minute. You know, I go on in the day in my kitchen.
That lovely.